The quickest way to make $1 million online, let's get down to it. In today's world, people think they have to do multiple different things in order to be a successful entrepreneur today, and that's not the case. It's quite the opposite. In a world of overwhelm, those that really get this and focus down on one element, one key thing, one skill, one business will get this and the majority won't. This is scientifically proven. Hicks' law states the more options you present, the longer it takes. What does this mean? This means it takes 2 times longer if there are 2 options compared to 1. 3 times longer if there are 3 options compared to 2. 4 times longer if there are 4 options compared to 3. The more options you present, the longer it takes. In this example, say it takes you 2 years to make $1 million in one business. Therefore, if you do another at the same time, that's 2 businesses at the same time, 2 years. Now, Hicks' law states it takes twice as long. That's not 2 years, it's 4 years. Now, because you've done 2 businesses, the likelihood of you doing another business is increased again. When you speak to unsuccessful entrepreneurs, more often than not, they're doing multiple different things. That's why they're unsuccessful. And that's an average, which means it could be a lot more than just 3 things. It's 4 or 5 or 6. The more options you present, the longer it takes. If it takes you to do $1 million in 2 years, and you're trying to do 3 at the same time, so therefore it takes you 6 years to do 3 million. So if you focused on one business and it took you 2 years to do $1 million in that business and then focused on the same business, because you're compounding on that same business, the second million will be quicker. So say, for example, it takes you 6 months. Then you compound again. Because you've done $1 million already, then you'll know exactly how to increase that to do another $1 million. So you do that in less time, so 3 months. So look at these comparisons. So you're doing 3 businesses, 6 years, 3 million. 1 business, 2 years, 9 months, 3 million. 6 years, 3 businesses, 3 million. Versus if you put the same formula into 6 years, 1 business, you're doing over 10 million a year. So that's why you should never do multiple things at the same time. Multitasking is a massive lie. Never do it. You want to be successful and make millions, focus on one business, then compound and keep on getting better. Don't get bitter, get better. Subscribe to the channel for daily videos to help you. I'll see you on the next video.